Calling on LeBron James, you're going to get an extra point.
You're too valuable. Their depth is totally limited.
So Muhammad going to stop the fast break and commits the hard foul. James doesn't like it, so discards him. And then Muhammad with the hard shove. David Guthrie, the official, did a good job getting Gibson away from Anderson. Again, the way the series has gone, and the officials, they look at all the tapes from the previous game. They do a scouting report like the coaches do, and they're going to call that after what happened in Game 2. This is absolutely going to be called a technical by the way the series has gone.
But I was very interested to hear what Steve Jaffe, who works for us at ESPN, said after Game 2. He says they call the games not just for that game, but for the games that come next. And that's very interesting to me. I would think you would just call it for whatever you see in that particular game.
Well, the history in a series, it's sometimes history between two players. Muhammad has been called. James gets the technical. And Muhammad has been ejected. You're absolutely right, Jim.
And if LeBron James does not fall on that, Nazr Mohammed is not ejected. That's my problem with how the officials are instructed to do it.
Now, Muhammad's getting a standing ovation from the